Good morning, folks. Today we are actually doing day in my life, which I have never done. I've vlogged in the past, which I really have sucked at vlogging for a while, but I thought this would be fun to do just a day, because I think what happens is the reason why I don't end up posting a vlog, because when I talked about doing vlogs maybe about 2 months ago, I had actually filmed a whole vlog, but it was way too long. Like, I did a week in my life. I ended up never seeing the light of day. Now I'm trying it again, and this time we're just gonna do a day, and today is actually super busy, so I thought it was the perfect day. I've been planning to do it today all week. It is Wednesday, July 22nd. Right now I'm about to clean my apartment, and honestly it almost like killed me to go to bed with my apartment looking like this, but I knew I wanted to do it today in the day of my life, so I left it dirty, but this is bad. Since I moved in, I clean my apartment before I go to bed, but I left it dirty for this video, so now it's time to clean it up and get my life together. So now the everyday question is, do I want coffee or smoothie? Today I think I'm gonna go with coffee. Now I'm about to call my mom. Our daily morning chats while I clean up this table. This is the area that was stressing me out the most.
Hello.
Hello, Mom.
What's up, Taylor?
So I'm eating some sausage that I made yesterday. Yes, it's burnt because I can't eat it unless it's burnt. Just finished cleaning off the entire table and the kitchen. Now I'm about to put on some workout clothes. I have a class in about an hour. I actually need to start the dishwasher. I'm gonna put on some workout clothes, and then I'm gonna try to edit down the first part of today's YouTube video, because I am posting a video today, hopefully. Cross my fingers on that, because I have 2 meetings today. Zoom meeting. First one is a master class with Giorgio Armani Beauty, showing us a makeup routine using Giorgio Armani products. And then after that I have one with Afro Sheen, and they're going to be talking about their products as well. Hopefully I can get the video edited down, because I also have to film the outro portion because it's of this hair look. So let's throw on some clothes. I'm actually gonna probably eat some cereal after I put on the clothes. Now headband. These braids, I look so weird. I might put them in a bun. Okay, so I put a few in a ponytail. It makes me feel a little bit better. Starting the dishwasher before I go. Oh wait, I didn't put my bowl in there. Ooh, I almost forgot my watch. I would have been so mad. I hate when I forget my watch. Got my mask. Y'all probably can't even hear me because I have the air up blasting. Hand sanitizer, So turn this down while I'm talking so I'm not yelling. Literally like beat red. It was a 30-minute class, so I only got to do 8.5 miles, which I know I'm saying only. That's a lot, but I be wanting to do more than that. In the 45-minute classes, I get about 11 miles, give or take. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 12, 13. So 11, give or take, is how many miles I'll get in my 45-minute class. So in my 30-minute class, I honestly be trying to get 10 miles, 9, 10 range. Haven't gotten there yet, but that's the goal. I honestly am sitting here on my phone. I don't even know what the last thing I said was, but I'm headed home, basically. Okay, so I'm home. So I am out of the shower and now I'm just finishing. I'm literally back in the same spot I was before I left, and I'm just trying to finish up this editing. I kind of feel like I might need to sit under the dryer, which I hate that. I never do that. I'm not just saying that. Like, I haven't sat under a dryer since I got my hair straightened, and that wasn't even me doing that. That was like her doing it. Today is like crunch time, and on a regular day I wouldn't care. I would just let it come out damp if it's gonna come out damp, but I want to make sure that it's completely dry for the results for this video. So you guys, it is the I am about to actually start looking presentable at the end of this vlog. I feel like I've looked crazy all day. Finally got my hair looking like something. So I'm actually about to do my makeup really quickly. Just a little bit, because like I told you guys, I'm going to 2 meetings tonight. The first one is actually a master class, and we can follow along with it and do our makeup at the same time. But she also told me that I can already have on foundation. Oh wait, I just read the email. I really thought she said foundation. Okay, she really just said primer and concealer. But because I'm filming this outro for this hair look, I kind of want to do more than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and have makeup on, which is kind of sucky, but at least I'll get to learn some tips. It literally took me 45 minutes to take down this braid out. So long. Like with twist outs, I can just pull the twist apart and then I'm on my way. But for a braid out, no, 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 and no. When did I sign up for Pizza Hut text messages? I don't think I signed up for that. Let me stop there, because I don't need the temptation. Because I did cheat and I went to Pizza Hut maybe the week before last, and that's my second text message since going. Don't try to trap me. I just remembered I have clean brushes in the bathroom that are dry. Too late now. Oh yeah, I wanted to look up the makeup artist for the Armani class. See, they don't have her Instagram name. I'm gonna have to just look her up. Okay, my camera literally died while I was doing my makeup, but this is the final look. And actually, the person that's gonna be teaching us, she's done makeup for a lot of different celebrities. I'm just looking at her Instagram right here. You guys of course know Sophia. She's done her makeup, probably blurry, and Kristen from what's up, Twilight. All right, you guys, this is the finished hair look. I really like the way that it came out. All right, we have like a minute before class start. They're actually going to be talking about this foundation. It's the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude foundation. So let me know if you guys want a review of it. I didn't want to put it on for this because just in case you guys want to see a review.
And there you have it, the Armani Beauty Neo Nude foundation.
So I just finished that class. It was actually super fun. I learned a few things. I feel like that I will be able to kind of share in the review of this foundation. I mean, if you guys comment below that you really want to see that one. It's not sponsored by any way. They just sent it out. I have about like 10 minutes before my next meeting. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish this video that I'm editing for this hair look, and hopefully I can have that uploading while I'm in the next meeting. But I had a really good time. I can't wait to try all of this stuff. Eye products and contour and blush and highlight, compact foundation powder. I'm very interested to try, so.
And the 3-in-1 nourishing oil. I know a lot of you have received packages with these products, so you've probably got to test and feel and play with them already.
It's been a long day. You know, the main thing about working out is that it literally messes up your whole hairstyle. It doesn't matter what I do, my hair gets messed up when I work out. Like, all this definition is gonna be gone tomorrow. And I guess it depends on what kind of workout you do. Because when I was just going to the gym and I was being real lax on myself, not holding myself accountable, I wouldn't mess up my hair. But now that I'm in a class where it's more intense, but anyway, I love working out, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, just did my skincare routine. Now I'm about to put my hair up. I just literally put a scarf on and wake up in the morning and fluff it out. I was gonna sleep on the couch tonight, but my back really hurts. And I don't know if I ever told you guys this, but I get really bad back pains. I guess I would say they range from 5 to 10. So I guess they're not always really bad, but I am gonna sleep in my bed so that I can lay flat so that my back can feel a little bit better, because right now my back hurts really bad. Closing the windows. It's kind of early though. It's only 7 o'clock, but today was super busy. I'm already ready to go to sleep. Whew, it feels so good to be laying down flat. All right, you guys, this is the end of the day in my life video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is kind of like my normal day, I would say. I do have like some rest days that I have to just kind of give myself. It was fun to actually share it with you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I actually been looking forward to this video all week, like since last week. Even if only 10 of you guys watch it, I had so much fun filming this today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.